What's good, everyone, and welcome to a new episode or video of the build for the TL. Okay, so the Camber control arms finally came in, and I ordered the Megans. So these, and they were on sale, so that's why I purchased them. And this is what it comes with. So it came with two stickers. I already put one on my car. I'm gonna give this one to my girlfriend, and then it came with this card. I don't know what idea that is. It comes with warrant and these two little papers and two pins, so this is very important as well. And then it comes with the product itself. Let me try to get out right there. So yeah, they do look nice in person. This is a much need for the camber wear, or just camber adjustment in general for the rear. And I'm gonna be test fitting the wheels since I wasn't able to get it on camera for the coilovers installed. So I'm gonna be trying to camber this shit out in the rear. Hopefully it doesn't rub against the coilovers itself. So to install the camber adjustment control arm, I kind of hit the disc brake right there. To install this, we need clearance for that bolt right there. So you're gonna unbolt these. This gives it a little bit of leverage, and then we're gonna unbolt this ABS brake line. So this can sit down, and you'll have to keep banging your ratchet against this piece of metal. Okay, so once that's loosened, you just gotta loosen it, and then you're just gonna take out the pin on this portion of the ball joint, and then take off the bolt. And then we're gonna use the pickle fork to take it out. You can rent this at O'Reilly's for like $16.99, or you can just buy it for $11. Up to you guys. So I'm gonna do this off camera. This is gonna be really quick before I can show you how to really install it. So. So good. Oh, thank goodness I'm not rubbing though. Oh, well, I have to go for a test drive right now. Gotta let the coilovers settle in. Fucking fender's already fucked up anyways. Oh man, I'm so excited. I am very excited for this right now. I want to remove all this. The wheel right here, because I want to get to O'Reilly's so I can return this pickle fork. I need to clean it though. Where's the pickle fork? Oh, right there. Okay, I just need to clean this. Okay, you are clean. You are clean. There you go. Job here is done. I just need the front wheels. I'm not gonna lie. Oh man, I'm happy. Okay. I'm gonna put this in my car. I'm gonna go turn on my car. And then I'm gonna go to whatchamacallit, O'Reilly's. Damn, this fitment's nice. Just gotta turn it on. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. That fitment is perfect. I'm satisfied right now. I'm so satisfied. Look at that. That's just perfect. Oh, let me check under though. Let's hope I'm not rubbing against the coilovers though. If I do, I need to get 5mm spacers at least. Yeah.